In the light of faith, we gather strong. With every prayer, we rise along. Hanan Hunter Ministries leads us, His Spirit divine. Through the shadows, His love will shine. Oh, we sing in unity, rejoice with grateful hearts. We lift our voice, Yahweh, our strength. We honor Your name through Hanan Hunter Ministries. Our lives reclaim. Prophetess, Neema Hunter speaks with grace untold, transforming lives as His story unfolds.